Hi all, this is Jeannie, and today I'm going to do a very quick little video on how to add custom colors to your pen palette. I will link to a video by Sandy Cruz on how to organize your palettes, and it's a great idea so you always have them accessible. You can see on my Documents desktop here, I have a folder that says Palettes. I lay everything that's Planner, I put IP. I have all of my palettes organized in here. It makes them quite easy for me to open, access, and change the colors around, both in Keynote and in GoodNotes 5. So let's look at my palettes. And I have, let's see, these are the ones that come in Sandy's collections. Let's just, for the sake of today, go to the Classroom Floor Plan palette. Now that one was last year's teacher's planner, and it's no longer, it might be accessible or available in the store. If it is, I'll link to it. It's got some very nice primary colors, and the patterns in it, I like the wood patterns, they're beautiful. So I have my palette open, and in the magic of iPad iOS and GoodNotes 5, I'm now going to open my planner and do a double screen. I have it open at the top, touch it till it floats, pull it to the side, and now I can access both screens, which is, to me, ta-da, wonderful. However, what it does, and I can make this just a little bit smaller, all I need is that one line. I'm going to go to my pens, and if you look at the top line, all of the tools, now I've already toggled on the pen on the very top line, so if you don't see the little Bluetooth pen, the colors, that means you still need to toggle it on right here, off, on. And I'm going to select the first color. Now normally the default color will be a black, unless you've been using a pen, which I have. So I'm going to select it, and I get a drop down for pen color. I need you to go to the bottom of this window, or this drop down menu, and it says Presets and Custom. Select Custom. This is where you can actually add your colors. Now, I would assume that if I select the hex code here, and I say Select All, and I delete it, that it's going to let me type in my color. I haven't had such good luck with that, and let me see if it's going to work now. So my hex code, I'm going to just do the first one. It's 5FC4C1, and I'm using my Apple keyboard, and I'm going to now click on Add to Presets, which is the little plus sign, and it worked that time. So I now have at the bottom a custom color that I've added. What happens if I don't want that color or I've mistyped it? I'm going to go to the top of this drop-down window, select Edit, come down, and I can either add a color or I can select that, and at the bottom of my screen it now says to remove the color. Tap on Remove and it's gone. It's as simple as adding custom colors. Click Done, and now I can use my pen, use the color in my pens. I can use it in my fonts, anything that I can use custom colors in GoodNotes 5, that should be available to me. I hope this has helped, and let's spread a little iPlanner and iJournal love. Bye.